LabTrek presents a new equipment for studying the oscillations with smartphone or tablet real-time acquisition. Data can be exported for further analysis in Excel or plain text format. The device is connected through Bluetooth and does not require Wi-Fi network or internet connection. The apparatus allows to study the pendulum in different conditions. Free oscillations, oscillations with air friction, oscillations damped by a magnetic field and oscillations damped by a brush. The kit contains all the accessories needed to carry out the experiments quickly and easily. Any Android or iOS smartphone can be connected easily. Using the rubber balls supplied, it is possible to study the free oscillations of the pendulum. By sliding the integrated magnet on the table stand, it is possible to see the braking effect and compare it with the free oscillation curve. Using the brush, we can see the linear braking. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our website www.labtrek.com.